Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this IEC EVOOS NF brake fluid tester pan. It's a tester for brake fluid. Calibrated for .3, .4 and .5.1 brake fluid. We have a wide range of applications. The automatic brake fluid tester is a universal device for most vehicles out there. It can be checked conditions of .3, .4 and .5.1 brake fluids, as well as most synthetic brake fluids too. It is extremely easy for personal use, and it is widely used for private workshops, repair shops and car dealerships. And of course, it's easy to use. The test procedure is fast and efficient, and it has a simple control panel. The backlight, light green, and 0% up to 2%. Data, the brake fluid is ready to use, of course. At 2 up to 3%, the backlight turns yellow and the bubbles down slowly. The brake fluid needs to be changed. The backlight is red and the bubble sounds quickly when the data is greater and up and more than 3%. The brake fluid needs to be changed immediately. And you can see an easy reading because the high sensitive probe and an audible alarm. Instant display of the results. Large screen with 3 color backlights. Easy to read the measurement result whether day or night. And we have a fast detection. The detection process is fast and efficient. The control panel is simple and easy to use. We can quickly determine whether the brake fluid needs to be replaced after the background light reminders. And of course, it's easy to carry. The case is well structured, compact, and it fits well in our hand. We can take it with us while we're traveling without taking up too much space of that device in our pocket, for example. The brake fluid liquid tester with high precision. We have here a high sensitive probe, a rapid measurement, a highly sensitive sensor, a multi-oil type detection, a corrosion resistance body, a sound and light prompt, an automatic shutdown function, and a low battery warning. The multi-brake fluid tester supports .3, .4 and .5.1 different brake fluid on the market. And we have a sound and light alarm. Data between 0 up to 2% green, 2 up to 3 yellow, and over 3% red. Please change your liquid. We have a high sensitive probe, advanced position sensor, highly sensitive, quick response, and we can make an easy test if we use the brake fluid, product testing. Then we brake oil and water, we're testing, and water itself, that should be red. And this application use proper with brake fluid out there. This is the NF brake fluid tester pan. Thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.